Hi everybody, this is Linda, and I'm back for a bit. My daughter Lori helped me get everything set up for this, but I thought this would be a good meal or dessert for Mother's Day, and it's a frozen peanut butter cheesecake, and it's done in a 9-inch pan. You can use a glass pan or a clay pan, but I'm just using a tin pan. In the bowl, and the recipe will be down below in description or see more, depending on what you're watching on. But you're in over low heat. You're going to melt a cup of chocolate chips and 1/3 of a stick of butter. And when that happens, I'll be back. Alright, our chocolate and butter is melted, and you can see that it's thick. But you're going to add the 2½ cups of Rice Krispies to it and mix it in till they're all mixed. Whoops. And when I get through, I'm going to push it into my pie pan that I changed out because Lori said that I had too many nice ones to use a tin one. So I'm using this ceramic one. And I'll be back when I get that done. Hi, I thought maybe you'd want to see me mash this in, which is why I have the gloves on, and get it on the sides and in the bottom. Now, with the camera off, Lori is going to whip the cream cheese till it's fluffy. And then she's going to gradually add in the peanut butter and the sweetened condensed milk. And then I'll bring you back to show you the rest of it. There we go. And this is why I put gloves on, because I didn't want to get this all over my hands. But we'll be back in a minute. Mess that. Hi. Lori is gonna, she folded in the peanut butter and what else? The condensed milk into the cream cheese till it, and mixed it till it was smooth. And now she's going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a teaspoon of vanilla until they're thoroughly mixed in. And then she's going to fold in 1 cup of whipped cream. Now I suppose you can use Cool Whip, but she whipped cream for me. And the chocolate chips were semi-sweet, not milk chocolate. And we'll be back when that's done. Now she's going to put the whipped cream and the lemon juice and the, what was the other stuff?
Vanilla.
The vanilla into the pie crust that you made. And then she's going to put fudge sauce over the top in a design, I think. And then we're going to put it in the freezer for about 4 hours. Now, won't this make a wonderful Mother's Day dessert? It will. Oh, look at that. Yeah. That's so pretty.
Goodness, that is pretty.
Now, I'll bring you back when we get the... I got Smucker's fudge sauce. It says a half a cup, but whatever it takes to make a design on it. And then put it in the freezer for 4 hours, and we'll be back. Okay, now Lori is gonna just make lines with this fudge sauce, and we're gonna drag a toothpick through it, I think. If I can find a toothpick. Yeah.
It's not working out.
Here's one right here. Then we're going to put it in the freezer.
Not exactly what you had in mind. It's getting thick fast.
Yeah, it's getting thick.
We heated it in the microwave. Did you tell them that? Huh?
Huh?
Did you tell them we heated it in the microwave?
Oh, we
That's how
heated
it-
the fudge sauce in the microwave,
To-
but it's getting thick again.
Oh boy.
Let's see. Let me drag this through. And see what it looks like.
Pretty.
There we go. And here's your Mother's Day peanut butter cheesecake. Gonna put it in the freezer for about 4 hours. And I'll bring it back to you when Sam gives it a taste. And I'm gonna send Lori a couple of pieces home. I was gonna give her half of it, but she didn't want half. But I sure appreciate her helping me out today, because I couldn't have done it by myself. So, happy Mother's Day to everybody.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. And here's our cheesecake, unfrozen. And thank you for coming in and spending some time with me today. I appreciate it. And I hope to see you again soon. And you all take care. And God bless every one of you.